During NRV test, first charge the BP to 5 kg per centimeter square to keep the FP angle cock in closed condition. If FP gauge shows any pressure, the NRV of some coach of the rake is defective. To find the exact coach with the defective NRV, divide the rake into two parts. Put the master gauge at the middle. If FP gauge shows 0, the first part of the rake is intact. And the coach with the defective NRV is in the second part. And if FP pressure shoot up, then the coach with the defective NRV is in the first part of the rake. And the second part of the rake is intact. Repeat the procedure until you get the defective coach. Replacement of check valve in Feveli brake system.